Welcome to Caratuti. This is Ingrid Carlsen, and today I'm doing a flip through of my newest kit, Garden Serenade. I'm so excited to be sharing this kit with you today. I cannot wait to get started creating, and so this video is going to be a little different. Also, I wanted to do a video where I explained how I have my Etsy shop set up so that you can buy either the complete kit or you can buy the packs that come in the kit, and I'll explain that as I go. So I'm going to start with the background papers, which is going to be pack 1. And the first paper, I think these happen to be my favorites. It's the collage pieces, and what I do is take a lot of the ephemera that are in the kit and then I make it into a collage, and I think these work so well in backgrounds or under like ephemera clusters. They're just classic and easy to work with. This one you can fold over, although it's not going to be a full-size page, or you can use them separate, or you can use it all as one. These little tiny florals just make my heart skip a beat. And these are very similar, except for this bottom one is more of a taupey color, where this is a beige background. With this kit, I really thought of what would I like to use and what have I made that I would like to incorporate more of or less of. And as with all my kits, I think that even though you're going to see these colors are a little different than I've worked with before, you are going to still be able to mix and match with all the kits. And this print is the same as this one, but this one is a smaller floral. The next pack is going to be pack number 2, and this is the florals, and they are so beautiful. I did them on 3 different colors. So the first, of course, is the pink. Then I have these beige, kind of grayish tone, and then with a more like a caramel color. And I love all of the distressing in these. I think that these are going to be so much fun to create with, and that's something that you're going to be able to see definitely more of is the distressing. I want to add more, and then you can even add more on top of it. Okay, this is pack number 3, which is going to be the ephemera pack, and of course, if you're like me, this is my favorite pack. And you can see here all of the yumminess. I also tried to do several colors of images that I thought would be really great. I love maps and any kind of like little road work or anything like that, and I think those make really great backgrounds for layering. You guys know on my last Golden Renaissance kit, I love the postcards, and so we are going to have this 2 sets, I believe. Yeah, you're going to have one in this kind of blue-green tones as well as in the pink. And these would be a great little mini book like the one that I showed you guys on Instagram. I just fell in love with all of these colors, all of this ephemera. It's just so whimsical and sweet. and lovely. And I know that a lot of people look at fall as, you know, the darker colors, which you're going to see here. You have like your mustards and your dark teals and even like burnt orange, but I did it in a little bit different way where it's not so fall. I think this kit would also work really great in the springtime and the summertime. How pretty is this? You guys know how much I love music pages. I fell in love with this image, and so I doctored it up in all the different colors of the kit, and I am smitten with it. These are so sweet. I actually had a dream last night that I was at a thrift store. No, it was an estate sale, and I was going through like finding all these bags of like amazing stuff. And you can see those deep orange, or like more of a yellow ochre color. You can see how it would bring the outdoors in. And if you're anything like me and you're living in the South, then you're not really in fall yet. Although I know it'll come as soon as I say that. I love the crinkling of the paper that you can see here, and the foxing, and just I love that. Here too with this one, where you can see where the paper clip was and like a handwritten note. It's just so lovely. I decided that for pack number 4, these are going to be the Floral Labels or washi. And so these would be great printed on, I'm printed just as usual. I've printed everything on cardstock with the exception of my background papers, which I print on just regular copy paper. But these would be really great printed on tissue or vellum and then made into like little washi tapes. I think they're so pretty. And this kit actually came about because someone was having a retreat, a Bible retreat, and she asked if I would donate a kit. And so I decided to make a kit that they would get first, and then I would offer it to you guys. Oops. And as I was talking, I totally forgot. This is going to be pack 5, which is the word labels. So this one's really tough for me because I know you're gonna irk right now, but my handwriting to me is like, sometimes. I guess maybe because I see it all the time, but I know that you guys have asked for more handwritten items, and so I wanted to include it in these, and you get a ton of these. I think that labels are a staple to any page that you make. They are great. Even if you can't read the whole text of it, they're really great for layering. And I think of all the pieces that I would say I definitely would want to have, labels are one of them. And that's why you're going to see a lot of labels from me. These are the same, just in different colors, and they are a lot bigger. You can see here the difference, and I wanted to do that as well for layering purposes. And You can even layer these two, Blessed Wonders, Blessed Peacekeeper, Lovely Gospel. So pretty. I love this one so much. Redeemer, Lord of Lords, your name glorified above all truth. And then the last part is pack number 6, which is going to be the digital people. And it's just one page of digital people. I'll go through so you can see their faces. Of course, they're barely smiling. She's smiling, she's happy. Everybody else has those looks on their faces. And then what I did was I colorized these so that they have just a hint of color. She's probably my favorite with her pink cheeks. And then so one is just the plain black and white, and then one is the colorized. So there is Garden Serenade. I hope that you love this kit. I can't wait to hear what you guys have to say about it. And remember, when you get my kits, you can buy it as one whole kit where you're gonna get 30% off of the total price. Or if you just want the digital people, you can buy the packs separate. But do not buy the packs and the full kit. They're the same thing. So thank you so much. If you haven't liked this video, this is a perfect time for you to pause it and like it, and also subscribe. Make sure that you hit the little bell so that you get notified anytime that I have a new video come out. And if you're not signed up for my newsletter, the link is down below the video so that you can find it, and you will get freebies and also be the first to know about different things. And so I thank you guys again for joining me. Your time is valuable, and I appreciate that you thought that I was worthy of it today. So thank you, and I love you all, and be blessed.